All right, guys. Buenos dias. I'm here. This is where you guys are going to enter into Mexico after you've already entered from the back, from the U.S. to Mexico. You're going to go through the customs and everything, and then you're going to end up walking down this long-ass hallway down to over here where you're going to walk through these bars. And I'm going to give you how to find the fucking shuttle, because everyone keeps asking me, hey, can you do a video on how to get to the shuttle, because you can't find it easily and everyone gets lost. And the guy that I just dropped off at the border, he couldn't find it right now, and he said he took the taxi because he couldn't find the shuttle. And I even gave him all the instructions on how to find it. He still couldn't find it. So I'm gonna show you guys and walk you through and walk you to the place where it's at. And it's under construction right now, so even though it's still under construction, they're still gonna pick you up there. So all right, let's go. All right, so this is when you walk through, you're gonna see these guys coming through. They even got bongs and shit right here. Bongs and pipes. The first fucking tacos. Taxis, cell phone cases. Floors. Amigo, ¿cuánto cuesta la taxi por Hong Kong? $10. So 10 bucks. 10 bucks for the taxi. Used to be $5. Then it went to $8. And then they're charging 10 bucks to go to HK. So as soon as you come down, you're gonna make a right, go right, make a right. Over here you can see the taxi line. You can take the taxi line for 10 bucks. There's really no signal here to call Uber. It's really difficult, especially if you're crossing. And so you're gonna keep walking to the right, and I'm gonna show you right now. I just wanted to ask the taxis how much for you guys in case you don't want to wait. So after you made the right there, you're gonna come all the way over here and walk all the way down this fucking corridor. And this is where you're also, people wait for the, sometimes the line for the fucking border crossing stretches all the way back here too. So you can see these, keep going. Parking lot on the side over here. You could already start to see the fucking line for the border right there for the cars. Well, let's keep going. Don't go up that street. You're gonna make a right. Stay on the right against this wall right here. This green wall. And then here we are. You see that sign right there that says Caballeros? Thank you, Caballeros. This is the fucking place. That's the place right here. This is their little office, but it's the guy told me it's closed and they're doing remodeling, but I'm just gonna wait right here for the border, or not for the border, for the fucking limo to come. Actually, I'll fucking take the limo for you guys so we could get to the place. And I was gonna take an Uber right here and go back to my house, but since I'm already doing this video, I'll fucking wait for the shuttle to come and we'll do a video and end up at the spot where you guys are all trying to go. This right here is the borderline right here. That's the start of it. That's where those people are waiting in line right there. That's the start of it, man. That's like fucking 3-4 hours of waiting right there. That shit barely fucking moves. A tip for you guys, they got these guys standing right there. You see these guys standing right there? These guys, they'll get you to the that sign right there that says Cruce Rápido, cross the border faster. They'll charge you 10 bucks and they'll take you to the front of the line on the US side. You still have to wait in the line on the US side, but you still have to wait on the line on the US side, but they'll get you to they'll skip the line on this side, which takes a couple hours. So for 10 bucks, it's worth it for you guys to take it. So that's why I'm gonna give you these tips right now. All of them are charging right around 10 bucks. So $10 US to cross. And it'll save you a lot of time, couple hours. I've seen a bunch of Americans standing in the fucking line, like, fuck, pay the 10 bucks, man. These people got more time than they got money.
Hola, what's up guys? Had to interrupt the video to bring you guys an important announcement. A lot of you guys watching, guys will discuss whatever it is that you're facing. It can also be other stuff. Maybe you're heartbroken and need advice or need something to help you get over that heartbreak. Maybe you have a wife or a girlfriend where you feel like she's cheating on you or things just aren't the same. I can help you analyze the situation and get over it. I've gone through a lot of relationships already with girls from all over the place, all over the world, different places, you know, so I've seen seen all the things that they do. Been in long-term relationships, so I know what a marriage feels like. I know what divorce feels like. I haven't been divorced, but in a long-term relationship to where I felt like divorce, pretty much. And so I've seen a lot of people go through it, and I can help you guys that are going through these type of things too. If you need help, maybe like going to another place, I can put you in touch with people in different places in part of my network, or find people that are viewers as well that can help. That's why I'm doing this, to get the word across of the things that I can help you with. Not just that, if you own a business and you're accepting credit cards and you're still paying the fees, you don't got to pay the fees no more. You're pretty much just throwing your money in the trash. You're better off just using it on yourself, splurging, taking a vacation, enjoying like this in a pool in a tropical location somewhere where there's nothing but palm trees around and tropical birds, that kind of stuff, where the weather's perfect. You could be doing that instead. Or if you have some friends or family that own businesses that are still wasting their money paying the fees, I'll be able to help. So I can help with a number of things, and I'll be glad to, put you guys in the right direction. Same if you guys want to go to Costa Rica, I got friends out there. Cancun, I got friends down there. Philippines, I got a lot of friends out there. So you guys need help on any of that stuff, reach out. I'll be glad to put you in contact, so that way you can have a better experience all around. All right, talk to you guys soon. Adios.
So, yeah, I just walked my buddy to he has the global entry, so we skipped the line and went all the way to the front. And I figured since I'm already here, I'll do this video that a bunch of you guys have been requesting. So for the new guys coming, you'll know how to get to the border. Had a great time. Partying. Too much, man. I don't like partying that many days in a row, getting drunk that much, and my body, my whole routine gets fucked up. I still tried to work out past couple days, even waking up like that, and then repeat the cycle the next day again. So it's been a few minutes already. Still, the limo hasn't come. They're gonna come like maybe every 15 minutes. 15 minutes or so is when they arrive. So we'll see the timing of it. It's not too busy right now, so it's the weekday. It's 11:30 in the morning, 12 afternoon, so not that many people. As you can see, I'm the only one waiting here. Nobody coming across for this at this hour. It's usually at night you guys are going to come see it. So at night it's going to be a little bit harder for you to see, but just follow the directions and walk along this green wall and just stay to the right. As soon as you get out across that gate, stay to the right. The other thing that people ask is like, well, do I have to have the VIP card to take the shuttle? No, they'll take anybody even without the VIP card. They just put that as the VIP card benefit to list something there. And then the other thing they ask is how much should I pay the limo then if I don't have a VIP card? It's free, guys. And just tip the guy like fucking $2, $5, whatever you want to give. Some people have told me that the driver gets mad if they just give them $1, but shit, if you want to give $1, give $1. It's better than nothing. And here's the shuttle right here. There it is. And so just give them $2, they're happy with that. But $1, they're not. So I'm gonna jump in the shuttle. Well, the fucking shuttle drove by because I was fucking recording and he didn't fucking see me. He didn't think that anybody was fucking waiting. So I guess I'll wait for the next one. So it's 11:30 right now, so I'll time it for when the next one comes, maybe another 15 minutes. I don't really want to wait, but I guess I'll do it for you guys. I'll time it and see exactly how many minutes. So it was 11:30 on the dot that the guy showed up.
I appreciate the outreach, the comments, and the emails. And if you can, share these videos with a friend, or also at the very least, just give it a like. It doesn't cost anything or take more than a half a second for you to click the like, because then what it does when you click like, YouTube will suggest the videos to other people that have the same interests as you. So that's kind of like how the whole algorithm works. And so that goes and helps a lot too, like if you're not writing comments or sending donations or whatever, pressing like and writing a comment helps greatly as well, because then YouTube will know that you find it useful, and that it'll start suggesting, it'll know that it's a legit video that can help somebody, and it'll start suggesting it to other people that are kind of like watching the same things that you're watching.
So I'm on the phone with one of my viewers is a client, and I was telling him that I'm making this video for you guys, and he said, hey, you know, that's good you're making that. He's all, you might want to share, because he's all, even me, when he came for his first time, he said he came by himself because of my videos. I tell you guys to come by yourself, which isn't a problem. He's all, dude, I was nervous fucking coming my first time. And so he was saying that maybe you should share with your viewers that it's kind of nerve-wracking crossing by yourself in the first place, and then you show up to this fucking place right here and it's all boarded up, you know. He recommended that I share that you guys share your location with someone, your live location with someone, so that people know where you're at, especially if you're coming by yourself, because if something happens to you or you disappear, then at least someone will know or have a last trace of where you were at when you're sharing your location. So thought that would be worth adding to this while I'm waiting for this fucking shuttle again. It's been 11 minutes, he still hasn't passed by, so hopefully in the next 4 minutes he shows up. All right guys, so I ended up just fucking calling an Uber. The line just got so long that it went in front of the fucking spot I was standing at, so I didn't want to wait no more. But anyways, you guys now know where to go, and just get in there, tip the guy, and he'll drop you off in front of the fucking club, and you don't need to worry about anything else. But just know that it's under construction and it doesn't look like anything's there, but they still drive by. And I guess it's every 30 minutes. Even a taxi driver even drove by and said they don't start till 2 p.m., which is not the case, because the guy just drove by, and it was empty. He wasn't dropping anybody off. He drove by to see if anybody was there to pick up, but I was standing there fucking recording, so he passed by and didn't think I was a fucking customer. So yeah, well, now you guys know. I hope that helps. All right, talk to you guys soon. Adios, pura vida, bye. Guys, it's finally here. I got the Jedi group open, and I got a website put together for all you guys that can reach out to me instead of sending me an email. The website's 420john69.com, and pretty much everything you need is listed out on the links above and the links below. So if you're interested in the Jedi group, if you're interested in getting help with a trip, relationship advice, credit card service, real estate, affiliate programs, pretty much anything that I'm talking about, business, investments, it's all on the website, so that way you guys can help me help you a lot faster. That way I don't miss out on any of the emails, and it'll help me stay in touch with you guys. Even if something happens to the channel or the Instagram or whatever, if everything gets taken down or blocked by the platforms, I'll still have a way to get in touch with you guys. So go ahead and go to the website and pick whichever link that you need help on and fill out the information, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Look forward to seeing you there. All right, talk to you guys soon. Adios, pura vida. All right guys, so I'm putting together these groups, my Jedi Master Inner Circle. So there's gonna be 2 levels to it. You're gonna have the Jedi Masters, which are the guys that are making 100K or more per year at least, and have been well-traveled, have a lot of experience, and know of different places that we can go to experience and find beautiful girls and be able to share amongst everyone and give advice to other people as well. And then we're also going to have the young Jedis that maybe aren't as experienced or just starting out in life, or are young and don't really have much money, but they want to live this lifestyle. They're being inspired, and they want to start and learn and be able to communicate with each other. So that'll be the second level. And of course the Jedi Master level will be in both, so that you'll have the Jedi Masters also helping the young Jedis by answering questions for people that are new. And then the Jedi Masters, what we're gonna do is have like trips maybe once a year where all of us Jedi Masters come together and go to a destination where we'll be able to experience all of this together and share and network and share financial advice, how to make money. It'll be how to make money, how to deal with breakups, how to meet girls. Pretty much everything that you're seeing on my videos that I'm teaching, we'll be able to network and do it in person, and put together these groups and meetings for people, and kind of be me as the connector, connecting all of you guys together, because I'm getting all these messages from people from all walks of life in different parts of the world. And a lot of you guys tell me that you don't have anyone to share these experiences with, or share your stories and share all the knowledge that you've accumulated throughout the years. And once you communicate with me, it's like you're spilling your entire story, because you're so excited to tell someone finally, because there's no one else you can take. Can't tell your friends, can't tell your family, and there's no one you can ask questions. There's no one you can share these intimate details with. And so I want to bring you guys together with other like-minded people that are watching my videos and kind of want to live this lifestyle as well. And let me know which Jedi Master or Jedi part level in the inner circle that you want to be in. There's going to be either the young Jedi or the Jedi Masters, and the Jedi Masters is going to be for you guys to join. That's the screening process, and then we got the young Jedis for flux. That way it's affordable, and the fun is to screen out. Obviously, if you're doing well, isn't much, and then it keeps out the people that aren't serious. It's kind of like how to weed out the people that aren't really real. And of course, there's going to be moderation, and there's going to be like content moderation, where I moderate who gets in and interview the people that want to come in to make sure they're real. And that way, everyone that's in the group is actually there because they want to be, and that they share this similar outlook on life and want to live this type of life and level up even more, make more connections, make more friends, kind of like me and Tim, the 72-year-old that you've been seeing interview, and other people you haven't seen in my videos that I hang out with. It'll be kind of like being into the inner circle and make these kind of bonds that will last a lifetime, and these kind of memories that we can share together and have some awesome adventures together. You guys will be invited once you pay the entrance fee, and then we'll get you in. All right, guys, that's it. Adios. Pura vida. You say adios, baby.
Adios.
Bye. Well, guys, if you coming down here to Cancun, Playa del Carmen, I have friends down here as well that can take care of stuff. If you're heading down to Costa Rica, I got friends in Costa Rica that can help take care of the stuff, help assist with transportation and activities and lodging and things like that. And then the business that helped me live this life is the credit card service business. So if you own a business and you're still paying the credit card fees, you don't have to do that anymore. Stop wasting your money. You could be enjoying it every month instead of like whatever you're paying to the bank, $1,000, $2,000 to the bank every month. You take it and go on a vacation. Look at the ocean, how beautiful it is down here, and the weather's perfect. It's so early in the morning, I'm already sweating. It's tropical, and people are swimming down there, if you could see. And the only thing I wish that was down here is that there was more waves. But like I said, if you own a business, you don't have to pay for the fees. You can use it for vacation, take your family out, reinvest in your business, or whatever it is you want to do with it. It's way better than wasting it, paying it to the bank and getting nothing in return. So that's it. All right, that's it for now. Talk to you guys later. Adios.